Where's Italy? Didn't even pass. Really?
I'm not saying anything. but I'm sorry. Oh.
It's okay. It's fine. Whatever.
But for the sake of this video,
Yeah.
let's compare Italy as well.
Okay. Thank you.
You're
Let's put her
welcome.
back in.
You're welcome. Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another... Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video, we are gonna be... Why am I sounding so mad? Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be comparing Catriona Gray, Miss Philippines, to the rest of the hot top picks.
Oh
And
my god.
Fabio is sad because he didn't see Miss Italy.
I saw the
in the
list. I
list.
was like, wait a minute. Where's Italy? Where is she? Gone.
Miss Italy is nowhere to be found on the list. So we found a list on the Missosology.org organization or something about the Miss Universe 2018 pre-arrival hot picks.
Wow.
So I think these are just predictions. I heard from the interview of Pia when she won. She said that she kind of knew already that she was part of the top 15 because the top 15 were doing different activities than the rest of the girls. So they were like picked to do those things.
Oh.
Yeah, so obviously this is a game of favoritism.
Wow.
And well, that's just the competition. It's just part of the
It is the way it
competition,
is.
right? It's just the way it is.
Let's get right into it.
Let's get right into it. So this website has all the top 20 in this website, but
Italy is still not there. Not in the 15,
unfortunately,
not in the
Italy
20.
is not here. I'm so sorry.
Where is she? She probably was like on vacation. She was
She went to Bali.
she
By
went to
herself.
Bali finding herself.
Finding
There we go.
Anyway, so without further ado, let's get into the video. As you can see, this is Catriona Gray's face. It's gonna be forever there. And at the bottom over here, we're gonna put down whoever is on the top 20
Let's comment.
hot picks
Let's first comment.
on Catriona Gray.
Oh my god.
Do we need to say more? She's gorgeous. And
My
we've been saying that
goodness.
since day one. Face, bone structure, button nose, beautiful eyes.
I'm loving that makeup that they did.
The first one on the list is Colombia. Now, is it Colombia? The very controversial with Pia?
Yeah.
The one who won first, but then they took the crown from her?
I think so.
So, let's see Colombia. Dun, 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 dun.
Why don't you just say Colombia?
I just said Colombia, and the thing that came out is the map and the flag of Colombia. I'm so stupid sometimes.
Valeria Morales.
Valeria Morales. Okay.
Is that her pick?
Yeah. Okay.
She has very important eyebrows. She has a
I mean-
softer face. She's beautiful.
I
think
guess she's beautiful.
Mainly
She's
what's-
beautiful. Do you think she's gonna snatch the crown?
I think she's beautiful.
She looks like Italian a little bit too.
I have to say it's very, very different than Catriona.
She's stronger. She has stronger feature than Catriona. Catriona has strong feature too, but Catriona, you can tell she has a sweetheart. Every time when she smiles, she's a sweetheart.
Yeah, we know a little bit more about her because
Yeah.
we watched an interview.
So, by the way, every single year, the top 15 are always Philippines, obviously. Venezuela, Colombia, USA,
Jamaica.
Jamaica sometimes. Jamaica has been good.
China
doing good
too,
run. China, yes. Next one is Miss Puerto Rico.
Chiara
Chiara Ortega. Oh my god, she's beautiful.
Wow. She is... you know who she reminds me of?
Who?
Cameron Diaz.
Oh, but the darker version.
But the darker version of her.
Cameron Diaz.
Yeah, that smile. I think it's something about the smile.
Oh, she's beautiful.
Wow. Nice costume.
Oh my
too.
gosh, she's a contender.
She definitely is.
No wonder she's on the
She
list.
definitely is.
This one, look at this photo.
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. She has soft features. She looks like a doll.
She looks
So
like
gorgeous.
a doll. Oh my god, I'm scared now. No, wait, let's stay positive. She probably doesn't know how to answer questions. Catriona Gray is
Don't
very
be a
good
hater.
at answering.
Don't be a hater.
Oh my god, South Africa. Okay, I'm not
South
gonna
Africa.
lie. I saw some of her photos today.
Oh, I'm excited to see because South
I'm a
Africa.
fan.
Beautiful South
She's
Africa.
beautiful.
Tamarind green.
Look at that.
Oh wow, it's different than what I was expecting.
Yeah.
But beautiful.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It's like she's mixed.
Oh wow, this picture with the crown.
And I saw her interview and I saw her the way she talks to the camera and to the public. Oh my god, she's so personable and relatable.
Really?
Oh my god, look at that.
Her skin is so matte.
It's like she has neutral undertone over doing makeup.
Oh,
here.
look at this.
Look at this.
Yeah, very nice picture. You can tell she's very sweet. She
Very
seems
sweet.
very sweet. Wow.
Look at
Yeah.
that. Cute, no? Okay, so next one is Mexico.
Andrea Toscano. Wow, she sounds
Italian.
Italian.
Oh wow. Why are Latinas always like fiery? Like if they are the Avatar, the Last Airbender, the Latinas would be the Fire Nation.
Oh, totally. Totally.
Oh my gosh, look at that face. Compare that face to Catriona. She's
So
beautiful.
different.
Oh my god, there's a lot of beautiful women this year. I'm so scared
Ow,
now.
Ouch. This year is
Oh my gosh.
yeah.
Oh my
Definitely.
gosh.
I love the eyes.
I love
it looks
the
like they're
eyes.
a bit distant.
Yeah, you're
There's
right.
a lot of space between the eyes.
The
She
nose
looks
bridge.
great. Oh wow.
She looks like a doll, a mannequin. Oh my
Wow.
god. There's a lot of beautiful women this year.
Damn.
I'm so scared. So the ones that I'm scared of so far are South Africa and Mexico.
Oh really?
But
I would say Puerto Rico and Mexico.
I really love South Africa. The way she smiles, I love her features. Oh, next one is Miss Vietnam. How do you pronounce that?
Hen Nye.
Oh my
Wow.
gosh.
Wow, that gold looks good on her. It looks like a bit of a retro picture. Or
Yeah.
features.
Okay,
or
yeah.
hairstyle. I don't know what it is.
I see that, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at her modeling picture.
Oh! Damn, she's skinny.
She's tiny.
Ooh.
Reminds me of Miss Jamaica 2014, was it? This is a nice glamour
Nice.
shot.
I don't think she's one of my favorites so far.
No?
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, no. Oh, Spain is on the top 20 as well.
Angela
Picks.
Ponce.
Oh,
Damn.
cute. Not
Damn.
cute. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
She looks dreamy in this photo. Oh, transgender.
Oh wow.
Oh wait, she's the transgender Miss Spain?
Oh, I didn't know. So that's the
Oh
one
my
that they were
gosh.
talking about.
I
Then.
think so.
Oh.
Is this true? Is that
Wow,
her?
she's gorgeous.
Transgender Angela Ponce attempts to make history of Miss Universe pageant. Oh my god, you know what?
Fantastic.
This is dangerous for Catriona Gray. Politics wise, they're probably gonna choose Miss Spain just because of her being transgender. I don't know. We'll see. Damn.
Wow.
No, but
Beautiful.
Catriona's still prettier.
Katrina is very, very pretty.
But look at that arm.
So
That
skinny.
arm is the size of my chopstick. Oh
How
my
did
god.
she achieve that?
I'll be watching out for her actually. I feel like she's gonna be the highlight of
Yeah,
the competition.
watch out.
Anyway, next one is Miss Japan.
Yumi Kato. Let's see.
Aww.
Oh, she looks super, super young.
She does not look Japanese.
What's up with this hair? They look like two noodles. I have to say, very cute, but I'm sorry if I do this comparison, but picture above and picture below, there's...
You're right. I agree. Don't worry. Say no more. Next one is Ecuador. Oh, that's first. Ecuador are never usually on the top 15. Ecuador, Virginia Limongi. Damn.
Very pretty, very pretty.
Who she reminds me of?
Anne Hathaway.
Anne Hathaway,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah,
But-
huge eyes. But I have to say, she's still not one of my favorite.
No.
No.
Which one's your favorite so far? Mine's South Africa and Mexico.
Mine
Still.
is...
And Miss Philippines. obviously.
I think Puerto Rico is my favorite.
Puerto
so far.
Rico still.
Mhm.
But you know what? We're not only judging their faces because sometimes there's a lot of factors that goes into judging. The walk, the way they talk,
Oh, but
the
in
way
this
how
video,
personable.
there's nothing else we can
Yeah,
compare.
there's nothing else we can. What? Canada is on the list.
Wow, Canada. With that year when she came out with that huge ass snowflake. I was like, do you want
remember-
this? Do you want this too?
Do you remember that? How did you know? How did you remember? Did you watch it together?
Yeah, we watched it together. Did she buy it from Roots?
You're so shady to Canada. The
I'm
government.
sorry, I don't
The
care.
Canadian government's gonna kick us out. Watch. So next one is Marta Stiepen. She pretty, alright. She pretty
She's
though.
like, give me the crown.
She pretty.
the crown.
Yeah, I know.
Yep.
She's pretty.
Wow. So she is Miss... Oh, Canada.
Miss Canada.
Wow, damn.
Oh, she's
Okay.
actually pretty. Okay.
Very
Canada.
pretty. Big boobs.
Big boob. Ain't no wrong with big boobs.
No,
Next one is
Miss Indonesia, Sonia Fergina Citra.
Chitra. Angelic face.
Wow, beautiful hair, obviously.
Oh my god, those big hair.
Nice costume too.
But Catriona's still pretty.
Yeah, I have to say she's. I'm sorry. it's
We're gonna
not
get a lot of dislike. She's pretty though.
pretty.
Her
Nothing.
face is like
I mean-
angelic.
Let's be real. They're all beautiful.
They're all gonna be beautiful.
So here we're really going into.
Compare.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't.
If
I don't
you're-
know. She doesn't tell me anything. This one.
If you're watching and you're from a different country, we apologize already because in this video we're just comparing Miss Philippines because we are fan of Miss Philippines.
Obviously.
Obviously, like honestly as well.
So this is a very open reaction.
It's very
You know we are.
but
We're rooting for.
I'm being honest as well
Yeah.
that I love South Africa and Mexico so far.
Oh, Mexico is
I'm
gonna
scared.
snatch that crown, I think. Let's see. USA.
USA.
Sarah Rose Summers.
Of course USA
Or
is gonna
Summer
be
or
there.
McDonald's. One of the two names.
Oh.
Wow.
Oh shoot. She looks like a TV reporter. A TV weather reporter.
True.
But she's pretty. And you know it's
Oh my gosh, she looks like a doll.
and
Barbie.
you know USA is like Philippines. They're so
Yeah.
pro at beauty pageants as well.
Mhm. Wow, nice
Oh,
body.
athletic
so she's
body.
very athletic. It looks like she did
Very
gymnastics or
athletic.
something.
Yeah, look at those thighs.
Yeah. I think the face is gorgeous.
I think so.
Next one, Honduras. Vanessa Villar.
Oh girl, you better pout those lips, girl.
Wow.
Girl, you better pout them lips.
Honduras.
She's very
I
Latina.
would have said like Spain. I would have said
Yeah?
Spain.
Yeah, she looks very. She's Spanish. Yeah. Cute.
Wow.
Next one. Oh, Miss Brazil. I'm scared
Miss
already.
Brazil.
Miss Brazil are always so pretty.
Wow. I can. So
Oh my gosh.
I think she's not a traditional beauty.
Who's
She's
Miss
one
Brazil?
of these. She probably can pull off many different looks.
You think so?
Yeah, she has that face that is very versatile.
She looks like the Filipino YouTuber that I follow, Michelle Fox. Michelle Fox. Anyway, I'll edit that in. I'll show you. She has a very athletic. She looks like she has a very athletic body too.
Yeah.
Catriona has the very modelly body, skinny, tall, lean. Still, my contenders are still South Africa, Mexico, and Philippines.
Okay, Miss Venezuela, Stephanie Gutierrez. Wow.
What? They're comparing a photo of her with Kim Kardashian. She does look like Kim Kardashian.
She does. Wow, beautiful face. Very rounded.
In
Very,
this
very
photo,
nice.
she looks like Nicki Minaj. Surprisingly, she's a little bit tan. Venezuelans are, the way they put, the women they put and the Miss Universe, they're usually white. Next one is Thailand. Sofia
Sofida
Kanchanari.
Kanchanari. Oh, damn.
Model.
Wow, she's pretty.
Why does everyone have straight hair?
Oh, look at her
look
without
at
makeup.
that.
Yeah,
That's so pretty.
beautiful face. Beautiful.
And I love that she didn't put a lot of makeup here.
Not a lot.
Next one is Denmark. Oh, surprisingly, they're not usually up there.
Let's see this Denmark. Helena
Who's her?
Hauser.
Hausers.
Oh.
Oh, she's lovely. Blue eyes.
Beautiful blue eyes. I have to say, it looks like someone more from the 90s, this look.
Her beauty.
Her beauty,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
I don't know if it's the makeup, I don't know what it is.
To me as well, I don't know what else and what it is anymore as well, because I'm not sure if you noticed, but in the past years, Miss Universe, they've always been picking women from exotic countries,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Like, I just really feel like the world is accepting more beauties from exotic countries now, because people that are on the top 15 are always the Mexico, Philippines, Thailand, all those beautiful exotic
Yeah.
countries, Jamaica.
That's why I started dating Yani, because I was like, well, let
I
me-
have no choice. Next one. Oh,
Korea. Ji Yoon Park. Oh my god, so cute, Korea.
Oh, kiliging Korea.
It looks like her smile, she's like a bit nervous maybe.
El Salvador.
Marisela de Montecristo.
That's how they say it. El Salvador. Oh my
Oh
god.
wow.
She is the epitome of a
Gorgeous.
Latina.
She should be on a soap opera.
Yes, that's what I was thinking.
like,
She's
I'm
the
ready,
epitome.
I'm here. Telenovelas.
Yes, bring it on, telenovelas.
I love it. So Kazakhstan,
That's not Kazakhstan.
yeah. Oh no. What is it?
Kyrgyzstan.
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 It's a new country. Millennial country.
Bitch, shut up.
No,
Let's
I really
see.
don't know. I'm so ignorant in geography. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
Ouch. I think she may be my favorite.
Why do you like Asian so much?
No, actually, she's not my favorite. Sorry.
I'm still scared for South Africa and Mexico that they might be the top contender for
I think
CATRIONA.
Mexico is my favorite
But
so far.
To be honest, those are the only girls that I'm scared of. South Africa and Mexico. Philippines still up there, so we still have a big chance. I feel like. But anyway,
let's see Miss Italy.
Last but not the least.
She is kind of the least. I'm sorry.
Miss Universe Italy, because we don't know the name.
Oh, wow, she's pretty.
She's actually pretty. Okay, I'll give you that.
Pretty.
Yeah,
Come
she's
on.
pretty. She's
Come
pretty.
on, she could have been there in the top 20. Throw her in there somewhere.
Okay, I'll just edit the website.
Look at their eyes.
Yeah.
How beautiful that color is. It's like a honey brown.
Yes.
Well, okay. I'm
Cute.
not mad. It's fine.
She's pretty.
Yeah.
We'll see. Anyway, final thoughts, Fabio.
I'm very pleased to say that Kat has a lot of good chances here.
Do you think so? Are you saying? Are you just saying that, or do you actually genuinely think so?
No, I would say, I think the only one that can really snatch it in terms of what I saw so far is Mexico.
Yeah, Mexico is pretty. I'm really in love with South Africa as well. I
don't know why I'm not
her beauty.
a big fan.
No?
No.
I love her dark skin tone, like not very chocolate, but it's like dark skin tone, darker skin tone.
Yeah.
So, you know what? My top 5. Let's pick the top 5.
Oh my god, I don't remember 5 of them.
My top 5 would be Philippines, obviously.
Yeah.
USA.
USA, no?
No? Philippines, for me, Philippines, South Africa, Mexico, Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico,
yeah,
forget
Puerto
it.
Rico.
And Spain. They're gonna put Spain in there. They have to put Spain in there.
Yeah.
They have to put Spain in there. You know why? Because she's the first, or I don't know if she's the first, but she's transgender, and it's such a hot topic right now in the world. So the top.
And she's so gorgeous. Don't forget that.
She is, and the top 5 are the people that they're gonna ask. They're gonna ask questions, question and answer.
Yeah.
So of course they're gonna ask her question related to transgender.
We don't know.
We don't know.
I don't think so, because that would be an unfair question.
Oh yeah, because it's probably gonna be so easy for her. But anyway, those
It's
are my
unfair.
top 5. What's your top 5?
Well, Kat is my top. Then I would say...
You called her name Kat, and it's like you guys are best friends. My best friend Kat.
Then I think Mexico, Puerto Rico, South Africa. So how many is this?
5, top 5.
But how many did I say? 4? I don't know. I'll just leave
Oh, here
top 4.
are the photos.
So I'm gonna put
Venezuela.
maybe Honduras.
I think they're gonna put Colombia in there as well. Top 15, but I don't know about top 5.
We'll see. I'm curious.
We'll see. I just know that Kat will make it all the way through because they have to. Miss Universe committee already know that Philippines always has to be up there. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. We're gonna end this video now because time. Bye guys!